Okay? For square table, it's very easy for you to make it at the same place. But then for the round table, I suggest you see this cross here.
Yes.
Okay, make sure it's straight. It's going to act as an indication for you. What I said about indication is that, okay, before we start. You see how we put napkins on top of the table? This is how you should open and place the napkins on top of the table. You see the tablecloth overlay opening over here, bottom left. Napkin, like I say, every single week, top right hand corner. Okay, this is a little trick, little tip for you. Clean the tablecloth. Three fingers. Okay, and then make sure it sits in the line first. Yeah. And then you open it. If you want to move it, don't drag it. Move it with flick it. Make it some air. Okay. The silence cloth moves then in this case. Okay, let it sit for a while. Okay, when you pull the tablecloth, I suggest you to lift it up and pull it backwards, so you won't move the tablecloth itself. Okay, now it's wrong. A lot of you, when you move the tablecloth, you tend to move it like this. I suggest you to move it bit by bit by pulling the tablecloth. Okay, like this. Okay, don't pull it like this. Pull it a little bit by bit. Okay, this is wrong. So if you see it's so wrong right now, what you can do is you start over again. Jackie, can you do it?
So this is...
No, can you Okay, is this better? Okay, can you check? You see now it's this side. That's why I tell you when you move, you flick a little bit by bit. Okay? Yeah? Okay. For overlay. The trick is when you put down the overlay, you use this line and this line as the indication, so you don't have to move too much. What I'm saying is that when you open it, make sure it sits on the line. Like this. You see? Okay. Exactly. Can you check the line? Are they okay? Okay, this one a little bit more.
Perfect.
So this is how you do. You pull this and you flick a little bit. Okay, so you see what I mean? You see, I don't need to move a lot because I use this as the indication. If you always use the line on the tablecloth as the indication, then you can save you some time. But what I suggest is that 5 minutes for the tablecloth and overlay and napkins, and then 10 minutes for mise en place, and then the last 5 minutes you use for polishing. Okay, and remember, fold the napkins, put back the chairs, then arrange the second transport plate. Okay, you get the second transport plate, you get whatever you need inside, bring it out, put it in the scary don first, and together with the water bottle and the menu, and then fold the napkins, put back the chairs, then arrange it properly. Okay? And in this case, you see all these foldings around here. What you can do to flatten it out is that you hold the middle and you pull the overlay downwards. Don't pull it sideways, because if you put it sideways, then the whole thing moves. Okay? Pull it downwards so to make it straight. Okay? Try. Don't do this, because the examiner doesn't like it. Okay? Done? Okay, you guys can practice with that table, for the round table, one by one.